Normalab, adopt the proper solution.
NDI450 Installation and Operation. NDI450 is provided with a nitrogen bottle, a PT100 probe, a dry point thermocouple, a USB hub, flask stoppers, cleaning cable, plates, pumice stones, a touch pen, a USB recovery key, a power cable, condenser tube stopper, a cylinder seal, a drip deflector, and a glassware set for the 86 standard. Unit dimensions are 45 cm deep, 54 cm wide, 63 cm high. Check on unit label that voltage is conform to local power supply. Connect power cable and bypass cable. Install nitrogen bottle, previously filled at 10 bars maximum. Connect the vapor probe. Install waste drawers. Install the drip deflector. Activate the circuit breaker.
Switch on the unit.
Select your language and keyboard settings. Validate default user account and set date and time. Select your temperature and pressure units. Accept the license agreement and start the software. Review the default standard set point. And your unit is now ready for testing. Install the plate on the heater. Fill the cylinder up to the 100 ml graduation. Transfer the sample to the flask. Put some pumice stones in the sample for better homogeneity during the boiling process. Plug the PT100 stopper on the flask and check the position of the probe hand according to ASTM standard. Push downward on the door top in order to lower the plate and lock the metal arm. Install the cylinder in the chamber. In the software, check that all flags are green. Receiver chamber door closed. Presence of liquid in condenser bath. Presence of drip deflector. Flask heater area door closed. And presence of flask and probe. Push the start button. Set the sample name. And operator name. Check that you will use the right sample probe and receiver. A prompt message indicates you to always remember to clean your condenser tube and drip deflector. Select the product file from the list that is also available in the standard list. Here you have the test summary report with all parameters for the next test coming. Validate receiver path setpoint and software will switch to instrument initialization. At the end of the test, a message will prompt you for residue entering. From the archive, you can view and edit all test results. You can print them or export to multiple formats. A complete report with graph and table could be edited. Visit our website at normalab.com.